Today we're trying bouldering for the first time at the Bouldering Hive in Circuit Makati. For beginners like me, they have a package worth 1,400 pesos for 3-day passes. Kasama na dito ang rental shoes, locker use, shower, water refill, and unlimited stay for the day. Bago magsimula, may orientation and some hands-on guidance from the coaches there. At first, akala ko mahirap kasi I've never climbed walls before. Pero surprisingly, all those gym workouts helped a lot. Ang saya kasi bawat route feels like a puzzle you need to solve. Parang workout na may kasamang brain game. Everyone was cheering for each other kahit strangers. There was this girl and people kept saying, Ale, Ale. Akala ko naman pangalan niya yun. Words of encouragement pala yun. Parang cheering for them. Inisip ko, ang galing naman ni Ale. Kilala siya na lahat. Wala lang, share ko lang. Super helpful nitong shoes nila para hindi madulas. There were times na muntik na akong malaglag pero the grip from the shoes really helped me. And I guess it's kind of obvious but it also relies a lot on your hand grip and balance. So be extra careful especially if you're a beginner. We ended the day super tired pero sobrang fulfilled. Hindi ko akalain na may enjoy ko siya ng sobra. Definitely coming back for my next 2 sessions. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.